Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl Samantha and I'm back with another video. You don't know, so I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So in this video, I'll be talking about the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cream. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. So guys, as I said, this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cream. It's a gel cream, extra dry, fragrance free. Yes, me. Um, instant to quench extra dry skin and keep it looking smooth. Yeah, cause we like smooth face, so we use this cream to get our face to be smooth and hydrated day after day. Oil free fragrance, dry free. Yeah, the direction is to apply evenly to the face and neck after cleansing. So this is how the cream looks, guys. Right? I'll make sure I show you how it look. Yeah, look how it looks. So first of all, guys, you have to cleanse your face. Make sure you get a good cleanser for your face and then you use this. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you have a great day today and make sure any problem you have, you just resolve it and pray about it. Yeah. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and below the comment section. If you have the question, just ask me. Post daily, guys, so you can come back tomorrow or the next day, the next day, the next day. And carry one friend, carry two friend, three friend, four friend. Yeah, if you come subscribe. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Bye. Peace.